Tired of digging through Gusto's policy menu and hitting a dead end? Learn the exact 20-step path to activate Learning and Development Time Off. We'll open Gusto, head to Time Off, add a policy, pick Learning and Development, set compensation and accrual, then activate it. First, open up Gusto in your browser. Then, click on Time and Attendance from the menu. Next, go to Time Off and click on Add a Policy to start setting up a new one. You'll see a few options, but go ahead and click on See More Policy Types. Now, choose Learning and Development Policy from the full list. Type in a policy name for this plan. For compensation type, click on Paid. It's the most common choice. Or, if you prefer, select Unpaid instead. Set the accrual type to hours worked, so it's based on time worked. Alternatively, pick Fixed Amount if you want a set number of hours each period. Then, choose Per Pay Period as the frequency. That's recommended. And select On Each Employee's Start Date to kick off accrual right away. Click Next to continue. Then click Next again on the Settings page. Now, type in your earned hours per period and fill in the worked hours required. Click Next to move to the Accrual section. Then click Next on Enrollment. Finally, hit Activate to turn your policy on. You're all set. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.